Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor here in Vancouver, and today I'm with Josh Raber of Vancouver Diamonds. Josh is going to help me demonstrate some exercises which are going to help improve your posture, keep you in tip-top shape, and help prevent injury. Exercise is one of the three components of spinal hygiene. When you combine physical activity with exercise, stretching, and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy the video, and if you enjoyed the video, please like it, feel free to leave a comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We've got a lot more great content coming, and so please enjoy this video and we'll speak to you shortly. Okay, so today's first exercise of the day is called the push-up. We're going to get Josh to set himself into push-up position. We want to make sure that his hands are right underneath his shoulders to prevent any excessive stress. Push-ups are a simple and easy exercise you can do at home. Great way to build strength in the biceps and the triceps, as well as into the pectoral and the deltoid muscles. These are important muscles for overall posture, strength, and overall health. Thanks again for watching, and once again, my name is Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, please visit my website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email me with any questions that you have. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got a lot more videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life. Thanks a lot, Josh. Thanks for helping.
Thanks for having me, Michael.
You bet. Have a great day, everyone.